Hey guys, just a Geek desk setup. So, my cell phone, the LG Roomler. I'll do a review on that eventually. Some backgrounds I printed out in jobs we trust. My Lenovo laptop. It has 2 gigahertz and 160 gigabyte hard drive and 2 gigabytes of RAM. Currently running Windows Vista 32-bit. My monitor that came with my Power Mac G3. It's currently running on my Power Mac G4. My microphone that came with my Power Mac G3. I'm not sure if it works, but it came in the original packaging. So, a hat my sister got me from Italy. My wallet. I'm currently broke because I just bought my Power Mac G3 and my Leopard DVDs. Maximum PC magazine. A PC World magazine. A 4-port USB hub by Sapphire that I will eventually be reviewing. My external hard drive enclosure by Nexstar. I'll probably be putting a 1 terabyte hard drive in there eventually. My right speaker, a microfiber cloth that I use for my glasses and for my monitors. A box made in Egypt. It has some SD cards in it, some adapters, and just little things like keychains. A little clay pot that my friend made me. Has erasers, pens, and pencils, and some pennies at the bottom. My HP PhotoSmart 735 camera. It only has 3.2 megapixels. It's pretty old. It currently does a job for me. Not really, but it's good enough. Everybody else in my family has a better camera than me. This is my birthstone. My light. My iPod dock that was originally for my 2nd generation iPod Nano. And then I used it for my 4th generation iPod Nano, which they both broke. My old glasses case. A picture that my sister made me. A handmade bracelet. A glasses cleaner that I use for my glasses and for my monitors. And another microfiber cloth that I use for my glasses and my monitors. And the green boxes. In the first green box, there's many wires, 2nd generation iPod Nano case, and a card reader. And in this one, just some analog cables and some software. Ubuntu 9.04, Jaguar 10.2, startup manuals for my laptop, and one of my Leopard DVDs that I bought today. And under my desk, on my keyboard tray, I have just some drawing pencils, and then some notes to myself, like what videos I should make and when I babysit. The keyboard and hockey puck mouse came with my Power Mac G3 that's currently being used on my Power Mac G4 until I get the new Apple wired keyboard. My PSP, it is the original PSP. I kind of use it, I don't know, it sits right here between 2 metal bars on my desk, so it's kind of like a dock while charging. My CD player, I got it when I was 5, I just kind of keep it around here, don't really use it. some headphone jacks or microphone and headphones. I don't really use them. They're really old, but they're like a 10-foot cord, which is really good. My PS2 and all my PS2 games. I had double that, but I sold half of them. And my favorite game, which is Simpsons Hit and Run. My favorite game, is best game in the world for PS2, and I will never get rid of this game on my PS2. Sims 3, Simpsons movie, and some PSP games. My left speaker, measuring tape, and my wireless PS2 controller, my power bar, and my Power Mac G4, 800 megahertz, 80 gigabyte hard drive, and 1.5 gigabytes of RAM. So yeah, that's practically my desk. I'll show you what my desk does when I put it away. So when I close my laptop, my desk just turns in between two pieces of wood in my desk, and so it's really convenient. And I can also fit my laptop under it, which is really convenient too. So I can just keep everything on the bottom one, and it gives me more room, so I can access my closet and such. But yeah, please rate, subscribe, and comment.